Yes, sir. So this morning, I never bother show the item how the process because I'm not really too in the vibes, Because the things say I in real life with Dante. I go more not even in the vibes, so do certain thing, but sketch a one vibe and I say, alright, show no I go. And I wonder if I withdraw from the food and them things that kind of make me get extra material. I didn't even know. But I did a spinach wrap with lettuce, tomato, cucumber and tuna with my favorite cayenne pepper, yeah, and I put a little bit of cheese in there. So that's for lunch. But me get a rush because rush me and some other people, boy, I tell you, how much video me put out and nobody now comment. Me I say in a real life with Dante in the street, as me go say food and diet. Hey, me inbox full. So me get a rush. People them say I want fruit. Me fi eat and me have too many fruits in there, sugar and ray. So me do it this morning again. So me have to do the one fruit tomorrow. Cause this is breakfast. This is pineapple, banana and our Jamaican local apple. Yeah, but this is for breakfast. So tomorrow I will try the one fruit thing. But boy, I tell you, hungry. Alright, so I'm at work. I don't know if this is healthy, but this morning when I made the wrap and the fruit plate or whatever you want to call it, I just have lunch. I just eat. I was supposed to record when I was having the wrap, but trust me, the hungry deal with me away. I don't know anything about hungry. Now look at the time. Yeah, I know that could have never healthy. But I still have the fruits here. So I'm gonna bother cuss me. Cause I tell you, I did not get so many comments when I was doing the other videos, but like in my DMs and my inbox and everything, like, and I'm so grateful, but so many comments and suggestions what to do, what not to do. Nobody kill me. Tomorrow I want type of fruit I'm gonna have. But more shell this done right now. Hungry body. But one of the things that I realized that most persons said was that consume a lot of water. So 1.5 liters. I'm trying to do 2 of these per day. So all my fitness enthusiasts and everybody out there, I tell you, say, be a schooling man. No, eat less salt and too many fruits. Be about me. I get some more to tell me now. Is 2 of these good to consume for per day? Because if I'm more, I don't know what that will go. But anyways, yeah. Thanks for the interest, thanks for the love and shout out, guys. It's much appreciated, and it's very encouraging and motivating for me. You know what I mean? Like going on this fitness journey or endeavor, whatever you want to call it, it's not easy at all. So kudos to all those who are doing it and making it happen. As usual, don't forget to do the right thing. Like, subscribe, share. Ha. Alright, so in all honesty, right? This is the first time I ever really take on the diet thing serious, and in doing so I've discovered a number of things. Like, one, when you're taking the diet serious, it has the potential to mess with your state of mind in terms of your emotional level. Yeah, because you're too hungry and it will make you a bit kind of aggressive. Zine? So, I say, I think I should look into providing counseling for people who are taking on a diet like for the first time. Because, I'm not doing it so all out and thing, but you have people who are drastically overweight and, taking some drastic measures. And this thing it has a number of spin-offs, negative ripple effects, because you might be going through something and you're not aware, because you never really think about this. I wonder because you're not eating certain things, because you're going through withdrawal, you're not consuming as much sugar and other things that can be addictive, and it might mess with you, and then that might spill off into your family. in terms of your household. You might go off on your partner or your children, or even at work, and people are, wondering like, what's up, you know. So this is something that I really need to look into. No, the next well, it's not an epiphany, but discovery. This thing I will make you eat your lunch and I remember say you eat it. Like I have my lunch a while ago, drink my water, and there I do some work, and in the back of my mind, like, that little pop up there, like, you remember you make some nice lunch and it pop up and you say, alright, lunch. I say, I'm just finish up this and mash up the lunch there. And they are type away, And I say, alright, lunch. And I have to bust out and laugh and I say, you name the lunch already. Oh, you're rough. You're rough out there. You're rough. I go and do it still. Yeah. Today's what, day 13, and I'm down 3 pounds. Yeah, I go and do my thing still, Oh gosh.